Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your financial literacy with Khan Academy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type personal finance into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the results to find the personal finance section. Click on the personal finance link to access a variety of topics. Explore the subcategories such as saving, investing, and budgeting. Select a specific topic that interests you to dive deeper. Watch the introductory videos to grasp the foundational concepts. Take notes while watching to reinforce your understanding. Engage with the interactive exercises provided after each video. Complete the quizzes to test your knowledge and retention. If you encounter any difficulties, utilize the discussion forums for additional help. Consider creating a free Khan Academy account to track your progress. Log into your account to access personalized learning recommendations. Set specific financial literacy goals to guide your study sessions. Regularly revisit topics to refresh your knowledge and build confidence. Share your knowledge with friends or family to further solidify your learning. Use Khan Academy's resources as a stepping stone for more advanced financial education. Incorporate real-life applications by creating a personal budgeting plan. Seek out additional resources or tools mentioned during the videos for comprehensive understanding. Continue to explore other related subjects on Khan Academy to broaden your financial literacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.